Find the least common denominator, abbreviated as LCD. Student learning objectives. 1. Find the least common denominator. To find the LCD, the least common denominator, 1. Factor each denominator. 2. Select each unique factor for the LCD. 3. If a factor occurs more than once, select the one with the highest exponent to put in the LCD. If a factor occurs more than once with the same exponent, select only one of the factors to put in the LCD. 5. The product of the factors that you selected to put in the LCD is the LCD. Example, find the least common denominator of 3x over x squared minus 4 and x plus 1 over x squared minus x minus 6. So the denominator for the first fraction is x squared minus 4. Write it in a factored form. This is x squared minus 2 squared. In a factored form, this here becomes x minus 2 times x plus 2. The denominator for the second factor, for the second fraction is x squared minus x minus 6. Find two numbers whose product is -6 and whose sum is -1. -3 times 2 is -6. -3 plus 2 is -1. So this factors into x minus 3 and x plus 2. The least common denominator. Okay, so let's look here. The factors of x squared minus 4 are x minus 2 and x plus 2. The factors of x squared minus x minus 6 are x minus 3 and x plus 2. Each unique factor will be in the LCD. Let's write each unique factor in the LCD. X minus 2 from the first polynomial, and then x plus 2. And when we look at the second polynomial, x squared minus x plus 6, it has x minus 3, so we put it here. It has x plus 2. We've already put x plus 2 here, and since x plus 2 in the first, in the binomial x squared minus 4, the degree is 1, the same as the degree for the second one in the x squared minus x minus 6 factor. We just select one of it, because they have the same degree. 1 is sufficient. The LCD is what you see here, the product of this, or you can leave it as a factored form. Let's look at another example. X squared minus 4 squared is the denominator for the first fraction. This here is equal to x squared minus 4 times x squared minus 4, which is equal to x minus 2 times x plus 2 for the first x squared minus 4. For the second x squared minus 4, we have the same thing, x minus 2 times x plus 2. X minus 2 occurs as a factor 2 times. So we put this as x minus 2 to the power of 2. X plus 2 occurs as a factor 2 times. So we put it as x plus 2 to the power of 2. For the second denominator, x squared plus 2x. This in a factored form is x times x plus 2. So the factors of x squared minus 4 squared are x minus 2 squared and x plus 2 squared. The factors of x squared plus 2x are x and x plus 2. The LCD will contain each unique factor. X minus 2 is unique, so it will be x minus 2. So if we look at the other factor, at the other polynomial, x squared plus 2x, it does not have x minus 2 in it. So we're going to select x minus 2 squared to be in the LCD. And then we have x plus 2 squared. So the factor x plus 2 also occurs in the x squared plus 2x binomial, but the degree, the exponent is 1. We select the one with the higher or with the highest exponent. So we select x plus 2 squared. And then when we go to the second polynomial, x squared plus 2x, there is the factor x. It's a unique factor, so it has to be in the LCD. So we put each unique each unique factor in the LCD. And if the factor occurs in more than one polynomial, we selected the one with the higher or with the highest exponent. If they have the same exponent, then we select one of it. So this is our LCD.